So we've had a little bit of news going around in the AI space. It's been actually pretty interesting. Everybody's been going wild about DeepSeek coming out the model, and I'm just kind of blown away by how uninteresting it is, I'll say, when there's other things that are happening that make it just be like, oh yeah, you trained a model. One of those releases is Operator, OpenAI's release, and I don't know if you haven't seen it. It's absolutely incredible. It's available in their Pro, and we're super excited because it will be available in the developer ecosystem very soon. But imagine if you just had an agent that could crawl the website and using your logins, do all kinds of different tasks for you. So maybe you wanted to book a trip to Europe. You could say, hey, I would need to book a flight to Europe, use Expedia. I want to go to Paris. I want to spend 3 days there, and I want to go to the Loire Valley, and I need hotels and cars, and it will go in and actually book that manually for you using your Expedia or whatever your travel accounts are. Incredible technology. And then I think the one that equally amazing, but maybe not as useful for most people, is something called Deep Search. And so it actually goes in and with reason does research. So let me kind of outline. Imagine you wanted to be able to do research for a new product. And so that means you need to figure out the market, you need to figure out competitive analysis, you need to go through the whole process. You can put that into a deep search and it will go, might take 10, might take 20 minutes to do it, but it will build that whole report with everything in it that it's researched from the web and found and bring it back to you. That's one way of doing it. Another way is to use it for things like really complex research projects, think science, medical. And it's really interesting because if you think about it, that product's now released to you, but how long has OpenAI been using that? And how incredible are the tools that they have in-house that their developers are using to create these tools that are coming out. So that's the big news I think that's actually in the space right now. Those two releases, Operator and Deep Search. We're going to see some incredible new breakthroughs and technology created with them, and excited to start using it at Archeo.